urpay app on iPhone. So just tap get, and seems it's a quite interesting finance app. Then you can just confirm with a Touch ID or Face ID. Urpay is a digital wallet that offers you a variety of financial services and different payment methods that makes your life easier. The wallet has many capabilities such as local and international transfers, many other services. I haven't heard about this app before, but here you can see maybe it's just popular in specific countries, maybe like Saudi Arabia, or I don't know, some other Arabic countries, just depending. Maybe, if you're traveling somewhere there or something like that, you can just use that app. So because why would it like go high in the app charts? So yeah, that's basically the idea. You can just install it, and then you can see the size, 150 megabytes. It has 5,000 ratings, not that many actually. But there you have it.